Hey guys, welcome back to Vintage Air. We're here at the R&D garage working on our F100 truck. Today we're going to install our compressor bracket. Let's get some tools and get after it. All right, before we can install our bracket, we need to go ahead and remove this bolt from the top right hand corner of your water pump. Grab your bracket. These two holes here match up on the head, 1-inch bolts. Go ahead and get those started. All right, next you're gonna install this spacer with your long bolt. I went ahead and add some silicone to this bolt because it's going in there where the water pump's at, and I want to make sure there's no leak. Okay, now we got everything started. Go ahead and tighten it up. This bracket could also be used with a power steering setup. All right, we're gonna go ahead and install our compressor. Go ahead and grab the 1.5-inch bolts for your compressor bracket. Line up your holes. Got one, we got two, and two nylon locking nuts. All right, we got one more bolt. Now on the back of these, you're gonna add a washer before you put the nut on there. There you go. Once you get your belt put on, go ahead and tighten everything up. Make sure it's nice and tight. Get your fan back on. And this concludes our compressor deal. If you have any problems with any kind of parts or anything from your system, go ahead and call our sales guys. They're very knowledgeable, can help you out with anything you need. If you have any problems with your installation, make sure you call our tech team. From Vintage Air, I'm Billy. Keep it cool.